Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. As the countdown to Christmas begins, today I will be showing you how to achieve this simple and classic red lipstick glam. It is super easy and does not require much effort, and you'll definitely be feeling glamorous with this look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my face using my all-time favourite primer by Smashbox in the Photo Finish Ready. Then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Effects foundation and apply this to my face. I'm using the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush, and I like how this brush applies well to the hard to reach areas like under my eyes and the sides of my nose. As you can see, I am patting the foundation onto my skin until I have even coverage across my face. The trick to a full coverage base is to use a synthetic brush and buff this into the skin. Next, I'm taking a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying this under my eyes. Before taking a damp beauty blender, I like to spread the concealer with my fingers and applying whatever's left onto my chin and forehead area. Here I'm using the NYX Beauty Blender, which I find is a little more denser than the original Beauty Blender, but it does blend well. Oh, and remember to blend the concealer onto your eyelids too, as this will be the base to our eye makeup. To set my base in place, I'm just going to take some loose translucent powder and dab this all over my face. To lightly contour, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer and applying this onto the hollow areas of my cheekbones, across my hairline and the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm going to use this warm bronzy shade, which is from H&M, and I'm going to apply this onto my cheeks in an upward sweeping motion and then sweep this across my hairline too. I love how this blush gives me like a natural bronzy finish, and as you can tell, I've used it a lot over the year. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics Naked palette, and I'm using the shade Lockout and applying this to the eye socket area. Using a eyeshadow sweeper brush, this just applies the eyeshadow across your eye. Then I'm going to take this gold shimmer from the Natasha Denona Palette 5 and pat this onto my eyelid with an eyeshadow shader brush. Taking this rose golden shade, I'm going to apply this to the inner parts of my eye area. And then using this white shimmer, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Taking my blending brush, I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with the same white shimmer. Taking this brown shimmer, I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. To finish up the eyes, I'm taking the Huda Beauty eyeliner, and using the liquid side, I'm going to apply a wing eyeliner. Applying this on camera was a little harder than I thought. Oh, and I faced a classic issue where one side was thicker than the other, so I went back in to ensure both eyes are even as possible. And I managed to get some on my eyelids, which I had to clean up. I'm going to apply these red cherry lashes. Before I do, I'm applying some mascara onto my lashes so they blend with the false ones, and then apply the false lashes. Taking my concealer and concealer brush, I'm just going to clean up the eyeliner wings for a sharp and clean finish. Then I went over my lash line with some eyeliner to hide the false eyelash strip. Using the pencil side of the eyeliner, I'm going to apply this to the top inner eyelash line. I wanted a bit more shimmer under my lash line, so I went in with this rose goldish shade and applied this under my lower lash line. And finally, I like to add mascara to my lower lashes so it looks like I have some lashes. Now we are missing some glow, so I'm going to take this stick highlighter by Smashbox and apply this to the high points of my cheeks, nose, forehead and cupid's bow of my lip. For the final step, I'm taking the Lime Crime lip liner in the shade Firebird and outlining my lips. As you can tell, I was spoiled for choice on which red lipstick to use. I ended up using this D&G lipstick in the shade Fire. This gives a matte finish and I love how vibrant this looks, and it applies really well for a matte lip. You can use any red lipstick shade you own, whether it is bright or deep, or shades of red will work with this look, and if you don't want to use red, you can use any shade you wish to. This is why I love this look, as it works with all lip colours. This is an optional step, but I do like to apply concealer to the outline of my lips just to ensure that I have a smooth perfected lip line, and it also helps correct any mistakes that you may have made whilst applying the red lipstick. So guys, this is the finished look. I would usually pair this look with my hair down and to the side with some volumized curls. As my hair was in a ponytail for the tutorial, I just left it as it is. I know it's messy, but that's just my hair for you. And here is a close-up of the makeup, and I'm in love with this look. It's simple yet effective. I hope you guys have fun recreating this look, and please do show your support and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!